Greetings. I'm Werner, coach, consultant, court jester, conversation partner. This is a brief overview of my flagship conversation series as I help individuals and teams optimize their leadership, learning, love, personally and professionally, relationships, money optimization, design of models of service, operation of systems of impact. Be the dance you wish to see in the world is my top slogan, and I embody that and I invite that in you, whether you are a township dreamer, a middle class mover, a multinational boardroom strategist, a professional sports person, designing your career and life beyond your game. You are welcome at my coffee conversation table. We start with flagship 1, the personality of success. I use the ancient technology of the Enneagram, becoming exponentially relevant in modern times, to help you chart a course for lifelong personality expansion, your personality as the cup holder of your human potential for impact. I use that in concert with the flow profile, that you discover your day-to-day mechanism for getting into flow and being kind to yourself when you reset out of flow. Flagship 2, innovation development. I use the childlike, playful, hyper fun Torrance tests for creativity and innovation in the workplace with you as leader, as manager, to help you discover your inner artist, inner engineer, and inner storyteller, which we all need to bring beautifully functional, well communicated innovation outputs or suggestions to our world. Flagship 3, entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship, building on the innovation conversation series, where I help you take your signature ideas, how you see problems, needs and gaps, design models of service and operate systems of impact from said ideas. Flagship 4, bridge over quantum waters, your perennial leadership odyssey, as we integrate from me to my better dancing self, my ability to dance with you in teams, in the collective, and the design and operation of our models of service. Yes, we have program structures and architecture. However, it's bespoke. It's there to invite conversation. It's there to invite co-creation from individual to team, models of service, systems of impact, and all the way back. A cohesive collection of virtual cycles of coffee conversation, indeed. So let's begin with the conversation. It's free. There'll be no sales speak. Just listening, me listening to you. We'll share stories and vision building. There's my coffee link. It's also in the text of the post. And I look forward to dancing with you in conversation to help you grow well. Be the dance you wish to see in the world today.